Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Idris, and today I'm going to be showing you as usual how much I get paid in dividends for the month of September. Now this month is very special because this is one of the biggest dividends I've gotten since I started investing in I started dividend investing. So without further ado, let's jump right straight into this video. And also this video is actually sponsored by sorry, I couldn't keep a straight face doing that. But this video is sponsored by no one because this channel hasn't gotten that much subscriber yet. So maybe sometime in the future we could start making money off this channel. But as of right now, just like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content. So as you can see on my Robinhood, my portfolio is valued at $58,052.59. So in the week, in a day, I'm up $4.87, and mind you, this is during the weekend, so the market is closed. So any movements I'm getting right now in the portfolio is mainly from my cryptocurrency, which I invested in the portfolio. So in the past week, I'm down 80%, which is $465.98. And in the past month, I'm actually down $1,770.95 due to the whole sell going on in the market right now. So in the past 3 months, I'm down $491.50, and in the past year, I'm up $9,746.66, which is about 20.18%. So as you can see, my first dividend was from Kroger. Kroger paid me a dividend total amount of $2.36. This is a position I'm starting to build up in, and even Warren Buffett started buying this stock. So I figured Warren Buffett couldn't go wrong with this stock. When I did my due diligence on the stock, I figured it was a pretty good company with a solid balance sheet. And companies like this, they tend to do very well, even during a crisis, during a time of crisis. So I started picking some shares up in the company. I'm trying to get to 100 shares in the company by the middle of next year. But slowly and gradually, I'm building my position in this company. But now let's go to the stock analysis for this company. And my average cost is $38.31. I own 11 shares, and I'm up $9.52. Dividend yield for the company is 1.92%, and as you can see, the fair value is $38. So I should be picking up more shares in this company soon. So let's go to the next one. Johnson & Johnson paid me a dividend of $9.89, and for owning nine shares in the company. As of right now, I own 11 shares. I've actually bought more of the stock during the dip. So right now my average cost is $161.54, and the total return is I'm down $12.03. So this is a company I'm trying to build a big position in because it's one of a favorite dividend aristocrat. So Johnson & Johnson, a lot of investors try to buy a lot of Johnson & Johnson. So let's go to the next one. Pfizer paid me a total amount of $34.05 for owning 87 shares in the company. And as you can see now, I own 88. That's what happened when I reinvest my dividends automatically. So when I turn my fractional shares to invest my dividends automatically, when the dividend is reinvested automatically. So if I can own the whole share, it buys the fractional shares. So I think I've been paid by this company 2 or 3 times, which is capable of owning a full share. So after that, my share went up to $88 because now I could buy 1 share due to the fact that I own few fractional before. So I know this is kind of like made it more complicated than it is, but bear with me. So the total return on this stock is $722, and which is about 23.59%. Dividend yield is 3.61%, and as you can see, it's 75% old on 20 analyst rating, so 75% old, and a fair value of $42 and $42. So I should be picking more. I'm trying to pick up more shares when it falls to the $30 range, because my average cost was $34.78. But we would see. I should still be picking shares right now, because I do not really want to time the market. So moving on, Southern paid me a dividend of $10 for owning 16 shares, and as you can see, I'm up $90.69. So average cost is $56.43, and the stock is trading at $61.75. Moving on, Microsoft paid me a dividend of $3.57 for owning 6 shares. I think now I own 8 shares of the company. I picked up more shares, and I'm up $244.34. Chevron paid me a dividend of $20.33 for owning 15 shares. This is a company I'm trying to own more shares in. Now I own 16 shares. I picked up one more shares, and I'm up to $127.09. I was actually down in this company I think last week, but the company seems to be actually gaining more ground now. It was down the whole last week, but now I think we're starting to see some green in the company. But if the company keeps going back under $100, I would pick up more shares in this company. ExxonMobil, another oil company, paid me a dividend of $44.89 for owning 51 shares in the company. And let's see, now I own 52 shares in the company. Like I said, dividend reinvestment. So now my dividend went, my shares went up to 52 after that payment, and total return was $926.79, which is about 40.84%. And you can see, as you can see, the stock is trading now at $60.98, which was actually better from what it was trading last week. I think it was around like $53, but I should have picked up more shares then, but I didn't, because I really don't want to get exposed that much to oil stock. So, and if I'm going to invest in any oil company, it's going to be going towards maybe a Chevron rather than ExxonMobil, because they have more. I favor their balance sheet over ExxonMobil's balance sheet. So moving on. So 3M paid me a dividend of $13.58 for owning 9 shares in the company, and as you can see, now I own about 10 shares in the company now. 3M is one of my favorite dividend company, and they make all those Max N90 something, the one used in the hospital, the one that was used mostly during the pandemic. So 3M makes all those kind of medical stuffs. So, and my return in the company is about $18.12. The company was actually trading at $200 plus, I think 2 weeks ago or like a month ago, but now it's down significantly. And as you can see, the fair value is $195. So I should be picking up a lot of shares of 3M. I'm trying to get more shares of the company at a discount, but which I'm not trying to time the market. It might fall more than what it is right now, so I'm not still trying to time the market, so I'm going to be picking up more shares. So moving on, Stag Industry paid me 89 cents for owning 7 shares in the company. As you can see, I'm up $92. And McDonald's paid me a dividend of $5.78 for owning 4.5 shares. As you can see, I'm up $153.90, and I'm trying to own more of McDonald's stocks. All Realty, one of the favorite REIT company, paid me a dividend of $8.79 for owning 37 shares, and Beatrice paid me a dividend of 55 cents for owning 5 shares. This was a free dividend I got from the split from Pfizer, but I should be actually buying more of this stock, because it actually looks like a solid company and looks like the profits could actually go up, and it looks like in the nearest year, and the market cap could actually double too. But I'm still doing my research on this company, but I think I'm going to be investing in this company as time goes. So I'm leaning towards the company as of right now, but I'm still waiting on the side to see if there's going to be a significant drop in the company. So Lind paid me a dividend of $1.07 for owning a share in this company. BP paid me a dividend of $12.37 shares for owning 38 shares in the company. And I'm not sure yet, but I might be selling BP because I'm trying to actually I'm trying to put the actually invest the money into a more stable company, but maybe put it into Chevron instead of putting it into BP, because it's all about the company you believe in that's going to survive. I think BP is going to survive also, but I see Chevron actually doing more because I believe in those. It's in the numbers, so it's in the numbers, and as you can see, what your guts tells you sometimes. So I think I'm leaning towards Chevron instead. VTI, this is actually a Vanguard Total Stock ETF. So they paid me a dividend of $7.99 for owning 11 shares in the company. But this is a stock I'm going to go in details on how I actually got to own 11 shares, which is not a lot, but the strategy I'm using of owning of investing into ETFs. But yeah, I'm up $25.32 as of now. So moving on, SPG, this is also a REITs company, paid me a dividend of $7.93 for owning 5 shares in the company. Pepsi paid me a dividend of $9.42 for owning 8 shares, and I think now I own 9 shares in the company now. I'm up $113.41 in the company. And Travelers paid me a dividend of 55 cents. So I'm trying to acquire more shares in this company, but at the same time, I'm trying to see if there's going to be more, I don't know, maybe a bit more drop in the company so I could buy more. But as of right now, I think I own a share now. I think I moved it up to a share in the company. So that seems to be all for all the dividends I got paid in the month of September. And if we calculate all the dividends for the month of September together, $202.26, guys. That's actually one of the most dividends I've been paid since I started investing with the Robinhood platform. And I'm actually happy you guys are on this journey with me. And you guys, this is actually not a video for me to brag about how much I got paid for the month of in dividends, or how much I'm investing, or how much I got in my investment account. This is more like for an educational purpose. So if this actually teaches you to actually or pushes you to start investing more in the future, to retire early, so I think we are both doing a good job, and I think I'm doing a good job in helping others invest in themselves instead of buying unnecessary things, because that's the main goal, to not work in the future, to retire early. But that seems to be all for this video, so do not forget to use the links in the description if you want to sign up for Robinhood or Weibo, or if you even want to make extra money and sign up for DoorDash or whatever. So don't forget to use the link in the description. If you guys have any idea of any videos you guys want to see and I want to see, or something you would like me to actually shoot a video on the channel, you guys give me a comment down below, and I will try to respond to you on if I'm going to do that or not. So, but mostly this channel is for financial and financial purpose, and mostly for motivation purpose or stuffs like that. So that seems to be all for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.